Hello, my friends. I'm hoping to do a dramatic pour today with just 3 colors: Prussian blue, vermilion, and silver. Now, my plan is to kind of do a traveling straight pour, maybe. Kind of come this way, and then when I get to the center, I'm just going to do a straight pour, or a ring pour, I'm not sure, just there. And then I'll fill up 2 cups, and then the other one, I will come from the other direction, same thing. If I have any left over, because I probably won't have as much in here, I'll pour into the center. Or maybe I'll pour this way. I don't know. We shall see. So let's fill these things up and see what happens. And I think well, I'm going to fill up 1 cup first. I was going to say I'll pour them opposite, and I will when it comes to it. Maybe I'll switch order a little bit there. Although it really doesn't matter with 3 colors, they're gonna end up the same. Because now I'll have blue next to the vermilion anyway. I think I'll just top it off with the silver and then stop. And now I'll fill this one. Maybe I'll add a little more of the vermilion there. But I'm going to start this one with the vermilion. And now to the silver. Prussian blue. I'm using the Polycrylic pouring medium, and as always, I'll put the recipe, ratios, and exact colors down below in the description box. I'll switch to the blue. The blue and the vermilion next to one another will really vibrate. That's what I'm hoping will happen anyway, and it'll really lend to the drama. Okay. I got a little bit. I don't plan to do any ribbons on this one, so I'm going to scrape the cups. Okay, here we go. Set that aside, and here we go. Okay, I think it's time to do straight pour. I'm not into sports, but somehow this looks like it should be team colors for some sports team. Okay. And now yeah, I think it would be too difficult for me to pour that way, so I'm going to just come this way. Oh, I like the looks of that better. Okay. Why do I like that better? Is it the way I poured it? I think I poured it the same way. Very strange. Of course, I layered the cup differently. I did put more of the vermilion to start in there, but, well, let's move it around, see what happens. I like that. Hope I can preserve some of that. Let me know if this is a sports team colors. Well, I like the effects, but the colors I'm not crazy about. I like the blue and the orange. Maybe well, I don't know. Maybe the silver isn't a bad choice. Maybe when it dries. There's some nice effects happening. Let me take you in for a closer look. Turn the light off. Oh, let me get out of the way. That's pretty. A little fleur-de-lis thing going there. Yeah, I don't hate it. It's just an odd color choice. But maybe if it's team colors of somebody's favorite team, someone will like it. At any rate, it was a fun way to pour. I think I'll be exploring that again, but probably with colors that I'm certain are going to go better together. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. See you next time.